Then we have the checkout process. So this is basically the last section before people convert. So in this case, make sure that it's not, I would say, complicated. Don't ask them for different information in one go. So make sure to break it down. So first, give us your delivery option. Secondly, add your payment option, and then check the overview of the order. Many e-commerce shops, what they do, they ask you for everything in one go, which is quite overwhelming. But when you break down your checkout flow into small pieces, it's easier for people to really commit to it. So for B2C, it's about purchasing. Make sure that the checkout flow is simple. For B2B, it's about starting a trial. It's about booking a demo perhaps. So for B2B, you have two options here for the checkout flow or for the sign-up form. You can go very simple. So you only ask them for email or password. Or you can go a bit more in depth where you ask them for work email, first name, last name. So you're asking for more information. And if you notice also in the checkout process, they also use social proof, they have a testimonial, and they're trying to increase sense of urgency and minimize anxiety. So every single step. So you have two options, either simplify the process or make it more complex on purpose. So with Salesforce, they ask you 9 questions in total before you start. In this case, they only ask you for 3 things. So you have a choice to make. If it's simple, you're gonna get more signups for sure, but not all of these signups are relevant, or not all of these signups, they have a high intent level, which means your sales team and your marketing team might be wasting their time on leads that will not convert. So if you do the other way around, where you have more options, if someone puts the time and effort to answer 9 questions to sign up, it means they're not just interested, there's an intent there. So this can help your marketing team and sales team qualify leads. So Salesforce does this, and also Akamai does this. So this is their form. If you want to contact one of their salesperson, we have first name, we have last name, business email, company, department, title, country, priority, and all of them are required. You cannot skip any field. But this is long on purpose, because if you put the time and effort to fill this, well, we know you're not interested. There's an intent here. So now the sales team can really focus on having a conversation with you, so they don't waste their time on people who are not interested. So depending on your roles, depending on your persona, depending on your industry, you have 2 options. See which one works better for you. Usually the simple version works better for SaaS if you have a platform where they can test the platform altogether. This one is better if you have offline meetings and if you have a longer customer life cycle.